What makes the Apple logo unforgettable? Why does Nike's swoosh instantly grab your attention? And how can a simple logo make a company look worth millions? Today, I'm going to reveal the 3 secrets professional designers use to create premium logos: color, typography, and spacing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your logo stand out and leave a lasting impression. Let's start with color, the first thing people notice. Every color tells a story before anyone even reads your brand name. Blue builds trust and professionalism, red creates excitement and urgency, green represents growth and sustainability, black communicates luxury and authority, while yellow feels energetic and creative. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using too many colors. The world's most recognizable brands often rely on just 1 or 2 primary colors because simplicity makes a logo easier to remember. So instead of choosing your favorite color, choose the one that reflects your brand's personality. Now let's talk about typography, the silent voice of your brand. The font you choose speaks before your audience reads a single word. Serif fonts create a classic and trustworthy feeling, while sans serif fonts look modern and clean. Script fonts add elegance when used carefully, and bold fonts project confidence and strength. A common mistake is mixing too many fonts in one logo. Professional designers usually stick to one carefully chosen typeface or pair 2 fonts that complement each other. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. The third secret is one that many beginners completely overlook: spacing. Even the most beautiful logo can look amateurish if the spacing is poor. Pay attention to the distance between letters, the alignment of icons and text, and the amount of white space surrounding your design. White space isn't wasted space, it's what gives a logo room to breathe and makes it feel premium. That's why luxury brands often use more space rather than adding more elements. Now imagine 2 logos with the exact same icon. One has random colors, mismatched fonts, and everything squeezed together. The other uses a carefully selected color palette, clean typography, and balanced spacing. Which one would you trust with your money? The answer is obvious. Great branding isn't about adding more details, it's about making thoughtful decisions and removing everything unnecessary. So if you want your logo to look like it belongs to $1 million company, remember these 3 rules: choose colors with purpose, select typography that reflects your brand, and master spacing for a clean, professional finish. These simple principles can completely transform the way your audience sees your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the word logo below. In the next video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.